Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Google "Your connection is not private" on iPhone. All right? So let's begin with the video. To fix the "Your connection is not private" error in Chrome on your iPhone, there are several steps you can try to resolve the issue. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on General. Then scroll further and select Date and Time. Make sure that the option for setting the date and time automatically is turned on. After that, go back to the previous screen and scroll down to VPN and Device Management. Open it and ensure that you are not connected to any VPN, as this can sometimes cause the error. Next, return to the main settings page and scroll to the bottom. Then tap on Apps. From there, scroll down to bottom, find and select Safari. Then scroll down again and tap on Clear History and Website Data, making sure that all history is selected. Then confirm by tapping Clear History. After that, scroll further down to Advanced and click on it. Here, ensure that the option to block all cookies is turned off. Once you've done this, close the settings and try opening your browser again to access the website. If the issue still persists, tap on the 3 horizontal dots, open a new private tab, and try loading the website there. You can also manually type https:// at the beginning of the website URL in the address bar before pressing enter. If none of these steps fix the issue, go back into settings and tap on your profile name at the top. Then select iCloud from these options, scroll down to find Private Relay and tap on it. Here, just turn it off. After disabling Private Relay, the "connection is not private" error should be resolved. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Google "Your connection is not private" on iPhone. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.